Hey YouTube family, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. Today, y'all, we're gonna do is an easy shrimp and rice recipe, and this is gonna be a meal prep. I'm trying to get this thing together, y'all, so I'm trying to put together a healthy recipe for us to try, and I guarantee you, if you try this with me, you're gonna eat right, you're gonna lose weight, everything is gonna work accordingly. All right, so let's get into this here video, y'all. So I'm starting out with a 2-pound bag of large shrimp, and I'm also using an extra large bag of shrimp, and they cleaned and deveined already. So let's season these babies up. I have the full recipe and ingredients pinned in the comment section. Click on that for the ingredients. Now I want you to go ahead and give these babies a good rub down. Now we're gonna go ahead and bake these in the oven. I want you to take you a baking sheet, put some parchment paper on it, and then I want you to set your oven at 350 degrees, and we want these to bake for at least around about 15 minutes. We don't want to overcook these shrimp in the oven because they will become rubbery. Now my rice of choice is Jasmine rice because I like this fluffiness that it gives, and I cook this in a rice cooker. I use 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. I will allow the rice cooker to do its job. Now I just want to fill these prep containers up halfway and go from there. So I put in at least around about 11 shrimp in each container, and I'm telling you something right now, this will definitely be low in calories, y'all. I'm telling you something right now. So I'm gonna be doing this for at least for the next 2 weeks, and then we're gonna go from there. And I am working out at the gym, so let's keep an update on what we can do, y'all. Try this recipe and let me know exactly what you think about these here prep meals. I'm definitely gonna do more prep meals for you guys, and I'm gonna take you on my weight loss journey as well. All right, so let's go. I want to thank y'all so much for checking out this here video. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace, y'all. Y'all take care of yourself out here now.